Hi guys, and welcome to Successful Living. In today's video, I wanted to create a daily routine card, basically, to make up a morning routine, a daily or daytime routine, and an evening routine for yourself using cards. This is perfect if you want to start a new routine. As you know, a new habit is created within 20, 30, 40 days, depending on the habit that you want to create. So if you make one of these cards for yourself, it will be easy to track and check off as you go about your day, about your morning, about your evening, to create a daily routine. You can use this same technique and do it on a card, on a notebook, or whatever. I'm gonna be using my dot pages from my planner, and I'm gonna make it into a laminated card that I will keep in my planner. This is how I work. I use planners, but again, you can do it in literally anything. So what I did before this video was to think about what I want to include in my morning routine, my daytime or midday routine, and my evening routine. And I will just keep writing to this basically. And then I will be creating some check boxes to check off as I go until I feel like I have the routine down and I don't need to check these pages anymore. So if you're interested how I'm going to create these pages or these cards, keep watching. First, I'm gonna write down morning, daytime, and evening routine, or first I'm gonna write down the morning routine and then I will create the check boxes and then we will continue from there. To make it look a little bit prettier, so you would like to check it more often, basically. I like to categorize my mornings into 6 different categories, and I will first write down the categories down, and then only from there I will create the individual tasks that I want to do. So my categories are wake up, clean up, social, plan, get ready, and start the day. And the subcategories I will just include now. That's about that. We will write down what is each thing. First one is bed yoga or stretch. The second one is make the bed and tidy up. By the way, if you want to watch my morning routine, I mean the one that was before this one, I'll leave it in the link on the top right corner and also in the description box below. Then I clean up, brush my teeth, and wash my face. Then I do my morning skincare. Then it's time for the internal cleaning, which is for me lemon water and my vitamins. And then we go to social, which is for me my morning coffee while I celebrate the birthdays on Facebook. Then it's plan, which is for me, the time blocking or scheduling of the day. Again, I have a video about that. If you're interested, it's on the right corner and in the description box below. Then I have get ready, which is the first part is outfit and accessories. And the last one here is the makeup. So let's make this a little bit cuter. I'll just do this to the main points, and I will write down next to them. I'm going to keep this as simple as possible. So next to them, I'm going to write down the times, which will be wake up 6 a.m., clean up 6:20. Then we have the social at 6:40. Then we have the planning, which starts at 7 for me. Then I have the getting ready, which starts at 7:15, and I start my day at 8 a.m. So this is my morning routine. This will be my morning routine. Now it's time for the evening routine. I'm gonna do the exact same style. I'm gonna leave these in the description box below. And we will do the exact same thing again here. The first thing would be my wrap up of the day, which has 5 items. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then here we have exercise in some shape or form. Then we have clean. Then we have eat Then we have us time and bed ready. Then after there I have 1, 2, 3, and then the last one would be just sleep. Let's start with the boxes. All right, let's write down or mark the categories. So wrap up starts with filling in the planner, so my daily planning routine, which might be a video coming your way. The next one is to plan the next day, not the schedule, but the general events and to-dos and all of that stuff. Then I like to clean the office a little bit. And then I have 10 things, which I will talk about on another video. And then it is my phone off time. So I try to either put the phone away or put it on, sleep mode or whatever. I'm trying this out. I'm still working on this or these routines. Hopefully when they stick, I will be phone free in the evenings. So then we have the exercise. I will just write yoga or gym. And then for cleaning, obviously I have shower because I worked out, and I have evening skincare. Then we eat, and then we spend some time, and then it's bed ready time. So it would be brushing my teeth, putting hand cream and lip cream and all that stuff, which I call cream up. And then the last one is to read, because I just love reading before I go to bed. And time-wise, this starts at 6 p.m., but I'm just gonna write 1800 because that's more what I'm used to. It takes about half an hour to wrap up. Then I start working out at 6:30, and then this takes about 1.5 hours. So I start cleaning at 8 p.m. and then we start eating generally at 8:30. Then us time starts at 9, and I try to go to bed by 10 and sleep by 11 p.m. This is my evening routine. So now what I'm going to do is to laminate this so that I could actually use these pages with a proper pen, like an acetate pen, to check off these things as I do, and hopefully work on this page for the next 20-30 days so that I get this routine down, like down. And here it is, laminated and hole punched. So I just laminated it in my home laminator, very simple, very cheap thing to buy. And then I hole punched it here to fit my planner. And before, of course, I added this daytime routine. So 5 things that I would be considering doing here on this page. And on the back of the page, I created a daily schedule from, 6 a.m. till 11 p.m. just to have a structure in my day. So this is what I will put into my planner. And then every single day when I wake up and I do the bed yoga and stretch, I would just mark it as such. I don't know if you can see it. Let me go closer. So you can just cross things off with a acetate pen. You can use any pen that you can erase by using a magic eraser. I cut it into little pieces. So you can just erase it like this and use the same thing again until you have your morning routine down, that you don't have to think about it. And this is how you can start a morning or evening routine or a day routine with routine cards or using a piece of paper or using your planner. I hope the video was useful. If you follow this, if you make your own erasable board to create a routine, please do let me know in the comments below and if it's working for you. And that's it for today's video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.